Hey guys, this is Brendan from LemTask, and in this video, I'm answering a simple but important question. Is Facile Things still worth using in 2026? Not from a hype angle, but from a real day-to-day workflow perspective. Facile Things is built for a very specific type of user. First, it's ideal for people who are deeply committed to getting things done, or GTD. Not just familiar with it, but actively practicing it. So if you enjoy structured capture, clear separation of inbox, next actions, projects, and contexts, weekly reviews done properly, and this entire process before actual execution, then Facile Things fits your mindset extremely well. It does not try to simplify GTD or modernize it too much. It sticks closely to original methodology, and that's intentional. This makes it a strong fit for GTD purists, solo knowledge workers, or people who enjoy methodical planning. It's also handy for people or users that value correctness over speed. And in 2026, that's still a very valid audience. So if your satisfaction comes from knowing your system is done right, then Facile Things delivers that. Let's talk a bit about who Facile Things is not really for, because this is where most frustration comes from. You should probably avoid Facile Things if your work is reactive or interrupt driven. Also, if you switch priorities multiple times a day and you want quick task entry without ceremony, even if you struggle to maintain consistent reviews. In those cases, Facile Things assumes discipline first and benefits later. If you skip steps, the system doesn't gently adapt. It feels quite rigid. For founders, operators, or people juggling many roles, that rigidity can become friction. In 2026, many people want tools that meet them where they are, not tools that require full behavioral change just to feel useful. That doesn't make Facile Things outdated, it just makes it quite selective. For context, this is how we do it in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. In LemTask, our approach focuses more on lower setup friction, letting users act first and adding a structure only really when it helps. This isn't about replacing GTD, it's about reducing the cost of getting it started. Right, is Facile Things worth it in 2026? Yes, if your workflow already matches its philosophy. It's still one of the more faithful getting things done tools available. It's stable, deliberate, and uncompromising. But if you're looking for speed, flexibility, lightweight task management, or even a forgiving learning curve, then Facile Things will likely feel on the heavy side. The mistake isn't choosing the wrong tool, it's choosing the wrong tool for the right kind of person. Facile Things rewards commitment, where LemTask prioritizes momentum. If you want to see this approach in full, LemTask is linked below.